It's Professor Dave. Let's learn how to use Passato Prossimo with Avere.
He knows a lot about all kinds of stuff. Professor Dave explains.
We just learned about Passato Prossimo and pointed out that it is a tense similar to the present perfect in English. This is a typical way that Italians will refer to past events, so let's learn how to conjugate verbs in Passato Prossimo, starting with Avere. Once again, this will have two parts. The first part is the present indicative of the auxiliary verb. In this case, avere is used with transitive verbs. The second part is the past participle of the main verb. Let's go over the past participles of regular verbs now. For the first conjugation, the verb ends in ato, so comprare becomes comprato. For the second conjugation, the verb ends in uto, so ripetere becomes ripetuto. For the third conjugation, the verb ends in ito, so dormire becomes dormito. So all we have to do is take the correct form of avere and combine it with the participle to get the passato prossimo. Using mangiare, we get io ho mangiato. Tu hai mangiato. Lui ha mangiato. Noi abbiamo mangiato. Voi avete mangiato. Loro hanno mangiato. To make a full sentence, we could say, Io ho mangiato tutte le fragole. Loro hanno speso tutti I soldi. So this is the most common way that Italians use the past tense. We can continue this with direct object pronouns if we like, in which case the ending of the past participle will change. For the same sentences above, we could instead say, Io le ho mangiate tutte. Loro li hanno spesi tutti. Notice the new agreement between the past participle and the following word. We should note that while many past participles will follow this simple pattern, there are many irregulars. Here are some common exceptions. For the first conjugation, there is only one. Fare becomes fatto. The second conjugation brings us the longest list of exceptions. Leggere becomes letto. Scrivere becomes scritto. Mettere becomes messo. Bere becomes bevuto. Chiudere becomes chiuso. Chiedere becomes chiesto. Vedere becomes visto. Rompere becomes rotto. Rispondere becomes risposto. Decidere becomes deciso. And there are others still. For the third conjugation, coprire becomes coperto. Aprire becomes aperto. Soffrire becomes sofferto. Offrire becomes offerto. And dire becomes detto. These will take some time to memorize, but as with everything else, repetition and familiarity will be the key. Now let's try some examples. Noi abbiamo cantato una bella canzone. Perché hai mangiato tutta la pizza? La mamma ha lavorato troppo. That's all we need to know, so let's check comprehension. Thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe to my channel for more tutorials. Support me on Patreon so I can keep making content. And as always, feel free to email me, ProfessorDaveExplains@gmail.com.